Next we are going to learn about relationship between Kp and Kc. Kc means equilibrium constant, Kp means partial pressures. Now consider a general reaction in which all the reactants and products are ideal gases. Now for this reaction, write equilibrium constant Kc. Therefore, Kc is equal to products come up, already I taught, reactants down, so C power L into D power M by A power X into B power Y, and Kp for the same reaction. Kp, partial pressure of C power L into partial pressure of D power M divided by partial pressure of A power X, partial pressure of B power Y. Now, already you know the ideal gas equation is PV equal to nRT. That is, P is equal to N by V into RT. N means number of moles, V volume in liters, that is active mass. So, P is equal to active mass into RT. So, based on the above expression, now the partial pressures of the reactants and products can be expressed as partial pressure of A power X can be written as A power X into RT power X. Similarly, partial pressure of B power Y is equal to concentration of B power Y into RT concentration of Y. Similarly, partial pressure of C power L is equal to concentration of C power L into RT power L. Similarly, partial pressure of D power M is equal to D concentration power M into RT concentration power M. Substituting everything in equation 2. This is equation 1. All have to substitute in equation 2. So, Kp equal to Pc power L. Write this. C power L into RT power L into Pd. D power M into RT power M by Pa. A power X into RT power X into Pb. B power Y into RT power Y. Bring all the common terms to one side. RT common. So, Kp equal to C power L into D power M into RT, bring it one side. L plus M powers you can add by A power X into B power Y into RT power X plus Y. Now what is this? C power L, D power M, A, see, this is Kc. So, Kp is equal to Kc into RT power L plus M minus X plus Y. L plus M are product moles, X plus Y are reactant moles. So, Kp is equal to Kc into RT power delta Ng, where delta Ng is product moles minus reactant moles. This is the relationship between Kp and Kc. Kp is equal to Kc into RT power delta Ng, where delta Ng is the difference between the sum of the number of moles of products and the sum of the number of moles of reactants in gas phase. Now, based upon this, we can see three cases. Case 1. When delta Ng equal to 0, what happens? So, Kp is equal to Kc into Rt power delta Ng. When delta Ng is equal to 0, Kp is equal to Kc into Rt power 0. So, this term is 1. Therefore, Kp equal to Kc. For example, H2 gas plus I2 gas giving 2Hi gas. Product moles 2 minus reactant moles 1 plus 1 2. 2 minus 2 is equal to 0. That is delta Ng is equal to 0. Case 2. When delta Ng becomes positive, what happens? So, Kp will be Kp is equal to Kc into Rt power positive value. If you are getting means, that is Kp greater than Kc. For example, 2NH3 giving N2 plus 3H2 gas. Here N2 1 mole, H2 3 moles, so 3 plus 1 4, 4 minus reactant moles 2, 4 minus 2 is equal to 2, getting a positive value. If this is the case, Kp greater than Kc. Now third, when delta Ng is equal to negative, that is Kp is equal to Kc into Rt power a negative value. This is the case. Kp is less than Kc. For example, you can give one example for this. 2H2 gas plus O2 gas giving 2H2O gas. Product 2 moles, reactant 2 plus 1 3 is equal to minus 1. So, if this is the case, Kp less than Kc. Three cases. Delta Ng 0 means Kp is equal to Kc. Delta Ng positive means Kp greater than Kc. Delta Ng negative means Kp less than Kc. So, relationship between Kp and Kc we have derived. First write Kc, then Kp, then from ideal gas equation, P is equal to active mass into RT. Then substitute this and at last we are getting Kp is equal to Kc into Rt power delta Ng. Based upon this, we have derived three cases. Children, it's very important question. You can go through the book. Everything you write once in your note and work out, and you can go through the book and you can mark also.